Have you ever stared at your phone, wondering if your budget is truly up to date? Especially when you're using an app like Rocket Money, where accuracy is key to keeping your finances on track. You know, you've made some changes, canceled a subscription, or maybe even added a new income stream, but how do you make sure Rocket Money reflects that? It's a common concern. We rely on apps like Rocket Money to provide a clear, real-time snapshot of our financial lives. But sometimes, things change, and we need to know how to keep our digital financial tools in sync with those changes. So, how do you update Rocket Money? Let's dive in. Updating Rocket Money isn't just about refreshing the app, it's about ensuring your financial picture is accurate and reliable. It's about taking control of your financial data and making informed decisions. Before we get into the how, let's understand the why. Rocket Money aggregates data from your linked accounts, identifies subscriptions, and helps you track your spending. But that data isn't always instantly updated. Bank delays. Banks and financial institutions often have processing delays. Transactions might not appear immediately, leading to discrepancies in your Rocket Money overview. Subscription changes. If you cancel or modify a subscription, Rocket Money needs to reflect those changes to avoid inaccurate projections. Manual adjustments. You might need to manually add transactions or adjust categories to keep your budget aligned with your actual spending. Security updates. App updates often include crucial security patches, protecting your financial data from vulnerabilities. Feature enhancements. Developers continuously improve apps, adding new features and refining existing ones. Updating ensures you benefit from the latest tools and functionalities. When we talk about updating Rocket Money, we're really talking about a few different things. App updates. These are the standard updates you get through your device's App Store, Apple App Store, or Google Play Store. These updates typically include bug fixes, performance improvements, and new features. Account syncing. This involves refreshing the connection between Rocket Money and your linked bank accounts, credit cards, and other financial institutions. Manual transaction updates. This is where you manually add, edit, or delete transactions within Rocket Money to ensure accuracy. Subscription management updates. This involves reflecting changes to your subscriptions, such as cancellations, price adjustments, or new subscriptions. Budget category updates. Changing your budgets or how transactions are categorized. Let's start with the most basic update, the app itself. Open your App Store. On iOS, open the App Store. On Android, open the Google Play Store. Search for Rocket Money. Use the search bar to find the Rocket Money app. Check for updates. If an update is available, you'll see an update button. Tap it. Wait for the update. The update will download and install automatically. Open Rocket Money. Once the update is complete, open the app and check for any new features or changes. Now, let's talk about syncing your linked accounts. Open Rocket Money, launch the app on your device. Navigate to linked accounts, find the section where you manage your linked accounts. This is often found in the settings or profile area. Refresh or sync. Look for a refresh, sync, or update accounts button. Tap it. Enter credentials. If needed in some cases, you might need to re-enter your login credentials for your bank or financial institution. Wait for the sync. The app will connect to your accounts and update the transaction data. This might take a few minutes. Verify updates. Review your transaction history to ensure the latest transactions are reflected. Sometimes, you'll need to manually adjust transactions. Open Rocket Money, launch the app. Navigate to Transactions, go to the Transaction History section. Select the transaction, tap on the transaction you want to edit. Edit details. You can change the category, description, amount, or date of the transaction. Save changes, confirm your changes. Add a transaction. If you need to add a transaction that isn't automatically imported, look for an Add Transaction or plus button. Fill in the details and save. Delete a transaction. If a transaction is incorrect or a duplicate, select the transaction and find the delete function. Keeping your subscriptions up to date is crucial. Open Rocket Money, launch the app. Navigate to Subscriptions. Find the Subscription Management section. View subscriptions. Review your list of subscriptions. Update subscription details. If a subscription has changed, e.g., price increase, cancellation, tap on it and edit the details. Add a subscription. If you've started a new subscription, add it to the list. Cancel a subscription. If you canceled a subscription outside of Rocket Money, mark it as canceled inside the app. Verify savings. Check your savings projections to ensure they reflect the updated subscription information. Budget categories are the backbone of financial tracking. Open Rocket Money, launch the app. Navigate to Budgets, go to the Budgeting section. View categories, review your budget categories. Edit categories, you can rename categories, change spending limits, or create new categories. Recategorize transactions, ensure your transactions are categorized correctly to get an accurate picture of your spending. Review progress, monitor your progress against your budget goals. Troubleshooting tips. Connectivity issues. If you're having trouble syncing your accounts, check your internet connection. Login errors. If you're getting login errors, double-check your credentials and try again later. App glitches. If you're experiencing app glitches, try restarting the app or your device. If the problem persists, check for app updates or contact Rocket Money support. Data discrepancies. If you notice discrepancies between Rocket Money and your bank statements, manually review your transactions and contact your bank if necessary. Contact support. Rocket Money has a support team, and you can contact them through the app for assistance. Regularly updating Rocket Money is essential for maintaining accurate financial data. It allows you to track your progress, identify areas for improvement, and make informed decisions about your finances. Make it a habit to check for updates, sync your accounts, and review your transactions regularly. By keeping Rocket Money up to date, you'll gain a clearer understanding of your financial situation, reduce stress, and achieve your financial goals. It's about empowering yourself with accurate information and taking control of your financial destiny. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.